Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to see exclusive content on Instagram. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to see exclusive content from your favorite creators inside Instagram, well, this one is quite easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the Instagram app here, and you want to go and just search their profile or enter their profile. Now, if you do see them in your homepage here, you just click on their profile photo at the top left of that post, and from here, you should be able to see their profile. Now, the thing with certain creators here, they will enable that feature if they provide subscriptions. Now, typically, if you go to their page here, it should be listed in there. It should say subscribe, but in some cases, sometimes they would have a shop, so it will be kind of hidden. So you want to go and click on the drop button or drop down button that you see at the right side of the shop message and following section, and from here you should see subscribe. Now, once you click on it, it should redirect you to the subscription section, and from here on, it will give you what things you may be able to get. Like, for example, a subscriber badge, exclusive content, and behind the scenes, and even like 8 exclusive content right now, which is like about 8 stories as of this moment. Now, from here, you can go and click on try free for 14 days if you want to get a free trial of that creator's subscription. And you can just basically cancel this later on. So you just need to revisit the subscription page here if you want to cancel this anytime. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.